Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be playing Natural Disaster Survival. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ridden and welcome to this channel where I'm gonna be playing. Anyways, do your best to survive the natural disasters. Everyone features a random map and disaster. If you die, you can spectate other players from the lobby. Get ready, a new round will begin soon. Okay, I'm going up. Oh, I thought there was gonna be a flood happening. Maybe there was. I do not know. Weather machine. Okay, no. What is this? What's that sound? I hear water. Why stand here? Oh, I'm a green bean. Heh. Crabble garden. Do you? How did I die? Yeah. Oh, okay. I need to Robux. Why would I spend on that? And also, I don't even have Robux. So, I buy ankles. Oh no. Do not. Hello. He says like, what are you looking at? I'm looking at you. Survivors, low diamond 16. I want Robux. I know it's a scam, bro. Let's jump. Back. Okay. What's this? The takeover. I don't know. Next month, prison panic. I don't want to be in prison. Oh no. Ah. Oh. Ow. Was that fall damage or something? How do I spectate? Oh, I just see a random green block right there off the movie spawn. Hello. Golf head forever. I want to try this. What's this? No. Wait. I don't even know what to do there. How to do it. Hello. Someone getting killed or something? I'm stuck. Okay. I should reset. Womp is actually wild. Not actually diabolical. Oh my god. An apple a day saves the day. I do not know how. I wouldn't want to spend 80 Robux on just one apple. I don't think it really helps. What's happening over there? Ah. Take me, Lord. What? Okay, I want this out of my screen. I want to do a wraparound. So basically, okay, I was too late. It's map Arch Park. Okay. And okay, I was just about to say why am I in the void? Okay. What's this place? What do I do? Do you want to sell something? What is this arch park or something? Would you like a taco? Okay, no. No one would like a taco. Why are people doing graffiti? That's very bad, you know. It's raining tacos. Okay, I do not care. Hello, Tinky. Deliver. Oh no. No. Oh no. I wish I got out. Damn, there's lots of snot around here. Achoo! I'm just hiding. I need taco, okay. Damn, bro. I want to sneeze. Okay. Oh. Yay! I see. Okay, I should have said it like that. Sorry. I'm very sorry. Anyways, let's just wait for the next one. Hello 2016 Bacon, you look like Peppa Pig. Okay, never mind. Okay. This is shaking like crazy. Anyways, I guess we're surviving because like I'm in the sky right now. And also, bye. Whee! Bye.